back to my channel, guys!
So again, good afternoon. For those who are requesting me to do the vlog in the sewing machine, especially add the AD and I think the rest. So here I am right now. I will be doing the pedal pumping with the sewing machine here, in the place of my father. So I am wearing my high heels with this blue and white yellow color. Guys, by this time I am doing again the pedal pumping with the sewing machine of my father. So since it is it runs with electric, so I do this right now with manual pedal pumping. So featuring my foot or my feet doing this one. So I know that those who are sewing the dress will feel how difficult it is in doing the pedal pumping manually. Take off my sandal and we'll do the pedal pumping with one foot with shoe and with one barefoot. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so we will take off another one for the two barefooted. Alright. Alright, that's it, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe. Yours truly, DrCON. So there's so much for sewing machine vlog today. Thank you so much. So guys, thank you so much. So I hope you will like this video of mine today. So doing the pedal pumping with a sewing machine of my father. So please like, share, and subscribe. Yours slowly, DrCON. See you next video. Bye bye.